guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So if you've seen the title of the video, yes, that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, this is not some magic. This is something that people have tested and tried and it really works. Okay, so I've been sent this product called it's from a company called, so the company is called BB Cosmetics. Okay, BB Cosmetics, and the product is Balm Boost. And what this does is it's a natural product. Okay, it enhances your calves. So if you're a slim girl, or if you have calves but maybe you have like some dents or whatever that you want to correct, this can do that. Okay, so it's for your bum and your hip area. Yes, so it says that it's 100% organic and is suitable for all skin types. So how you use this product is that you use it for like a minimum twice a day. Okay, you apply this product twice a day to the region where you want it to work, and so that is morning and night. Okay, you don't sit down or lay down for an hour, and then within a period of 2 to 6 weeks you start seeing results within a period of 2 to 6 weeks. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start applying this product today, and then this is what I look like currently. As you guys can see already, I have a bum. Okay, so for me personally, I don't want to apply, I'm not applying this to my bum because I already have, something going on. I don't need that. Where I'm going to be applying this is around this area. If you guys look closely, I don't know if you can see in the camera, like I have this dent. Okay, like here around my hip, like both sides. Okay, so that is the region, like over here I have like this dent. Probably can't see it clearly, but I do have a dent around here.
And increasingly, scientists...
And then also over here, like I have like a little dent on my butt. So that is where I'm going to be focusing on. I'm going to be applying this cream on there for 30-day period, and then I'm going to come back and then show you the results, and I can guarantee this product works. So do check them out. They're called bbcosmetics.co.uk. Yes, so bbcosmetics.co.uk. Check them out, and they're also on Instagram, bb cosmetics. Check them out and try the product. I'm telling you guys, it really works, because I personally know people who have tried it and it works, and they happen to send it to me. So I'm
This is
like,
an
okay,
after picture
why not give it a go?
This product for a 30-day period. Yes, I used it morning and night for 30 days, and this is the after effect. Okay, this product really works, but you have to be consistent. And me personally, I even haven't been that consistent. I use it sometimes, and certain times I forget to use it. But yeah, it still works for me. So imagine if I was using it consistently for that 30-day period. I'm super excited with my results, and I can only say nice things or great things about this product. You would have to use it to personally see the effects, and it's all natural products. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.